Some of them not real. Some of them are snake in the grass. Some of them fake. You see me? Some of them come out in a night alone. Guys, I'm talking about none other than trending drama. Baby Jerms, how you want to call him. The man literally a big friend from the Planka them. For a good while now. You see me? The people them not pay him no mind at all. Because the people them know so this brother is a rejection. The people them know so this brother is a sin. The people them already know themselves so this brother no mean Dana no good none at all. Him have done so many damages to Dana. But Dana up to this day, Dana no pay him no mind none at all and thing. Trending drama tend to have a look soft side towards him when him want the people them feel sorry for him. You get the message and the Planka and them not gonna forgive him none at all whatsoever. You might have one and two of them and have a look soft heart, you know. But me I tell the people, that youth here, something definitely wrong with him. He need to leave social media and go take care of mental state because right now, he might make himself look stupid right about now. Because the Planka and them don't decide say, yo, we not trust a boy and the boy come along and I pretend and I go like say, he want to come friend up to be friends again. It don't make no sense, none at all whatsoever. Don't trust him, people. Trending drama, something about him just not right. You see me? Him just have a dirty side towards him and then him come along and ball like a baby and trick some people. We cannot be fooled by the youth here because it's the youth here. It's when things not go right for him, that is when him call down on him. Yeah man, yeah man. Because I get to understand same page. Demonetize. Yeah, him page demonetize people. And him not make the money, so right now him torment. So right now him want the Planka and him come on him side, come give him support. And then him turn around back and come chase off Dana. Him and Bobby shall kick off. You see me? And me I said, guys, woy. Bobby shall go for him and think, people. But me I said, guys, again, is that no loyalty on social media, you know. As I always say, no loyalty that is on social media. But you see that youth, you know, something definitely wrong with him upstairs. He have a bipolar, he have something about him because he was there, say, you know, and, you know, talk good about Dana and Planka and them. And then couple months gone, him that you see a tear down the Dana them and the Planka and them talk about all them wicked and all them things. You see me? So right now, people, nobody have a trust a youth right now. Nobody mustn't trust him because him state of mind in the one position, in the half of the place. You see me? The half of the place. And if somebody come in and tell him something, he believe it, and run with it, guys. That's how stupid him is. So when the Planka tell him now talk to him, people, I don't wrong them. Them should not pay him no mind, none at all. Because the youth here think him sick, him think he can't treat nobody. The people them know what go on, the people them have sense. And the people them know say, yeah do. Just beg because what? You want Dana and our followers them come over your page, come give you strength, come give you boots. So your page can get monetized back again. And then your page monetized back again. That is when you start to cost Dana and the Planka and them. You see me? If you're sick in your head, my youth, you need to get off of social media and go sort out a mental health issue and stop being like a girl on the media. Because it don't look good. It don't look good for us a big workless man like you, a big girl boy like you, disabled boy like you, would have come out and talk about what happened. Nobody now want to forgive you, man, all them things there. But all the people forgive you if you continue to do the same thing over and over. You see me? People them can't trust you. The people them know say you're fake. The people them know say you're not real and thing. And the people them know enough for themselves say, yo, you know, say this a youth here can be the next champion. You see me? But guess what? Trending drama choose to in a mix up and choose to in the wrong thing. You see me? And him done a lot of wrongs over the years and up to now him still the wrong same way. So when the people them now forgive him now, I have just understand it and say, yo, say go. You shoot up his pampas, you have to change their own self and thing, guys. You see me? That him need to do and stop sit down in a chair and act like a big clown. Because the people them talk about him. The people them run off him page. Because what they talk about chit chat people and you know, I play chit chat live and I try to mix up everything and chit chat did rub him out and think people. So right now the brother is not involved not too much mix up. Him name call not too much saga. And what him do? Him run from page to page. page to page and give himself trouble in the comment section and laugh when I go on the most and thing. This youth seek attention of done a long time. He want Dana reinstate him back from the Planka team. See me? But it not gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen nothing. But at the rate now which our social media is going on right now, might as well them just let him go and make them business people. You see me? But me I say, yo, the things set away right now for Dewey and Fletcher. See me? You have to just understand the youth. He's a little dirty my boy. And your heart dirty. And I just say things that once your heart dirty and your mind pure, you're sure for inner problem with people. And I know the Planka and them vex with you. Yeah, because you get too much problem, my youth. And you think you can't fool nobody. You can't fool nobody. The people don't know what go on. So when you are big, you only make yourself look worse. See me? You only make yourself look bad because the people don't feel themselves know. Say, yo, them can't trust you not at all again. See me? And I don't wrong them people because it's a trending drama. It's a youth where he be there say, you know, and him know how to use his head. Him know how to trick people because you have some big woman on the platform where love feel sorry for him, then we feel sorry for him and like and give him some love. But the youth him, trust me, trouble this. Big problem. Dirty boy this. See me? And in the same in the share hook up and can't even get up good. You know won't take time and go sort out himself. But in the social media cause trouble. See me? And I tell the Planka team them say they need to forgive him because of the World Championship. And I say go. See me? But so make you know so guys, you say that you have to just keep eye cross, keep eye open for the youth here and watch him out because something about him just not right. Something about him just not right. In just like say some things him depend. You see me? And as I said before, if he is alone on social media, without fool anybody, the way him act nice, the way him care about himself as well too. Because I'm very selfish. And once he can forget to you and get the Planka boss, him nice. You see me? So watch and see how it unfold. See me? So let's look on yourself here people. And we have to just keep an eye on the enemy them because you see them enemy and up on social media. Them pretend so much. Them laugh and smile with you and deep down inside them want to hurt you. You see me? Keep an eye on trending drama on people. Watch out for him because this a youth here come for cause trouble. This a youth have a motive. This a youth know him I do. You see me? But one thing we can say about some of the Planka them, some of them smart and few of them not smart. So the smart one them need to act out and lick out against him constantly. Yeah, because him up to something. See me? He might look some views and likes and share. But the people them not give it to him. May I tell you that? Because the people might get fed up on him right about now. The people might get to know who he is right now. But any idea still people. Him still have some loyal fans over there will support him when I like Dana. And I like the Planka team and things. So it's a mix up saga, you know, guys. Very mixed up and controversial. Very mixed up. So, you know, we never just watch and see what going on people, but he just not look good on his side. And him still not understand, him still not try over. You see me? And you can't force somebody for like, you can't force somebody for like you when you're around and you worry your life. You see me? So, because just watch and see how this unfold your people, but right now, trending drama, you have got to take the back seat, because nobody now look for you not trend. You not trend your views, everything that go down, because guess something, you not live right and you not do the right thing. And the people, them are the right thing, and them are the one them on your bench. That me I tell you, so the one them on your bench, and I give bad vibes. You see me? But people, I want to sleep now, guys, so, and first me I do a video, I want to sleep. You see me? But we don't pay the bird of mine, man. Make him go and do film thing, yeah. See me? Because they deal with it because him only like people for him can get from them. See me? But that's about it, people. See me? Don't talk to me, yeah, man. Make trending drama, I'm going to change him diaper. See me? And stop for the people them because Nobody now come out come support him regarding him and him Planka thing and him friendship with Marup. Nobody want a friendship from him because the people them know who he is already.